Hello, my name is Eddie Tofpik. I'm Head of Technical Analysis and Senior Markets Analyst at ADM Investor Services International Limited. I'd like to offer you some foreign exchange charts today. And I'd first like to look at the euro against the dollar. Now here we have a bullish matching pattern yesterday to counter the previous session's bearish black crow with a long wick on top. This time the wick was on the downside as the market initially tested down towards the previously listed three supportive factors, namely 1, the medium moving average, currently 110.71. 2, the lower time, currently 110.73 of the recent October to December 2019 bullish shift pitchfork. And 3, the recent 50% Fibonacci line at 110.58. The market shied away from all three and halted just under the increasingly relevant short stroke medium moving average, which is currently 110.95. Today, guess what? We're venturing back down there again, it seems. The next chart I'd like to look at is cable, aka sterling against the US dollar. A third bullish white soldier yesterday and a bullish long white Mariposa. It was also a continued follow-on to the recent bull hammer action. The action of the market getting squished between a recent December 2019 to date downtrend and from below by the influential November to date uptrend come neckline affair, which is currently at 129.69, ceased yesterday. The downtrend became useless and has been retired. Yesterday's rise ran up all the way into the very recent 50% Fibonacci line at 131.41 before backing off. Today we're up there again, testing it again, just beyond that at 131.77 with the influential 50% Fibonacci line of the whole of the 2017-2018 move. The next chart I'd like to look at is euro against sterling. A second bearish black crow yesterday and a bearish long black Mariposa. You could, I suppose, count it as a second consecutive bearish long black Mariposa as well. This carries on the move lower from the recent bearish tinged indecisive doji cross. It also confirmed the market's move back within the broken but still influential upper time, currently 84.93, of the bearish August to October 2019 shift pitchfork that's been running its market so effectively since October last year. Today, nothing much so far. The next chart to look at is the US dollar against the Indian rupee. An interesting day yesterday. An outside there, bearish in aspect, as the market once again ran up into the overhead resistance formed of the medium moving average, currently 71.20, and stalled again. Today we're trying up there once again, with apparently a little more success this time. We're currently over the medium moving average. Now we're looking at the short stroke medium moving average, which is currently at 71.33, and beyond that with the recent 50% Fibonacci line at 71.37. Meanwhile below with the important support of the middle time, currently 71.03, of the September to November 2019 Andrews pitchfork, which to be brutally honest hasn't been that active as either support or resistance. Finally, I once again note the recent bearish looking bow tie formation. It seemed that what initially looked likely maybe turning into a bow tie turned out to be bearish after all. Most of the moving averages involved have turned lower. If this bow tie survives the market, then the kick-in will be between the 28th of January and the 4th of February. So watch this space and watch those dates. The final chart I'd like to look at is the US dollar against the Brazilian Real. A bearish black crow yesterday and what appears to be a wannabe bearish below the stomach pattern. I suppose the consideration of tackling overhead the broken but still influential upper time of the 2019 shift pitchfork, that's currently at 24.03, may have given the market second thoughts about the move higher. Nevertheless, just below we still have the support of the middle time, currently at 416.06, of the very mildly bullish October 2019 to January 2020 shift pitchfork. That about wraps it up, so in the meantime, good trading. And for all my Chinese viewers and listeners, Kung Hei Fat Choi.